Hello, for Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, what's your name?
April?
April? Okay, cool. How's your day going?
Good, how's yours?
Not too bad. Put on your seatbelt, please.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
You know, just because I'm an Uber driver doesn't mean I'm above the law. You know, they pull us over too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how's your day going?
I don't get paid till like next week, but you know, it's all right.
Wait, what?
Yeah, my paycheck's coming through next week. You know, what about yours?
Oh, I can cash out every day. It costs
really?
like $1 to cash out, but I mean, you know, I want that money right away. You know what I mean?
That's nice.
Yeah. No, I make pretty good money.
That's
I'm gonna make a lot of money on this ride. It's like a $50 ride.
Yeah, it's pretty long.
Yeah. Hey, what'd you just do? Did you just cancel the ride?
Oh, no, I didn't. No,
You literally click cancel. Why'd you do that?
I didn't do that.
You just... Wait, I have to pull over. I'm gonna kick you out.
No. I didn't cancel the ride, though.
You just click... It says passenger canceled. Please
No,
pull
I
over.
didn't. It says on my phone that I didn't. It still says it's writing.
Show me your phone.
Why would I show you my phone?
Give me your phone.
No.
Give it to me now.
No, I'm not going to show you my phone.
Okay,
no,
then get
I'm
out.
going to get out.
Yes, get out of my car. You're scamming me. Yeah, get out and walk.